Hello everyone, NMB Box Break doing a box break on a 2011-12 Crown Royal Hockey. Go and show you the time and date. It is Sunday, 2:05, June 28th. I'm going to show you all the spots. There's quite a bit of spots open, but the listing just ended on eBay, and like I always say, guys, I'm going to do it regardless if there's spots open. So here we go. We're going to randomize this list 3 times, sorry. There's 1, 2, and third and final time. You got Bob L at 1 and Douglas 555, Kevin at 30, and see it's been randomized 3 times. Alright, so what we're going to do is then copy and paste. And you see there's Bob L at 1 and Douglas 555, Kevin at 30. Alright, so now we're going to do the teams. Start off in alphabetical order, Anaheim down to Winnipeg. And we will randomize this list 3 times also. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So you got the Edmonton Oilers at 1. Down to 30 Carolina Hurricanes, and randomized 3 times. So we can go ahead and copy and paste. And you'll see Edmonton at 1 and Carolina at 30. Alright, so go ahead and get to open the box. And guys, I've been out of town for last week, so that's why I did not get the chance to get any new stuff. So I have 2 boxes. This one I'm doing, and this one listing just ended. So I'm gonna do this break later. But if you want to buy on my website, you can, as long as it still has an amount there. But I will be doing the break some next couple hours. So once you see this video, it'll probably be maybe an hour or so after that. All right, this is 4 packs, 5 cards per pack. Each box has 2. It's supposed to have 2 autographs and 2 memorabilia cards in each box. There's the listing number on there. And it's just a checklist. And our 4 packs. Alright, so again, anyone who is not familiar, I put the base cards on the right, hits go to the left. And here we go. There is your base card there. Get it just to get it focused there. Kenny Malkin, base card there. Another base card. Alright, here's a first hit. New York Islanders, Pat LaFontaine. All the King's Men patch card. Nice looking card there. Let's show the back side of that. No number on this. Alright. Show the front side one more time. And there it is. Here's David Desjardins, Montreal Canadiens. This is a parallel of the base. See how it's got the red up here? So that is the red, that's a parallel, so that will go out to the Montreal Canadiens. That's the parallel on the base card that they have. And that is just a base card, Jimmy Howard. Alright. I just want to get this to come in as just a base card, but I want to try to get the autofocus in. There we go. Base card. Here's a Lords of the NHL Patrick Kane patch card. Nice looking card here. Nice. Here is a 2011 Panini Crown Royal Rookie Royalty Signatures, card number 148. Let me see who I can, if I can find out who this is and what the card is. Let's see here, Crown Royal Rookie Royalty. Let's see here. Just bear with me here, guys. Just type in and seeing if I can pull up this card. Royalty signatures. Let me do this. I was trying to do it through Beckett. Let me try to do it. Just because I want to find out who, what the card is, and it'll go to whoever, you know, is actually on that card. Crown Royal Rookie. You know, and then my next thing I want to see, I'll send it out regardless. I don't know if they still accept these. I think so, but I'll look. Okay, let's see. There's an eBay here. Number 148, 11-12 Crown Royal Rookie Royalty Auto Autograph Paul Postma, Winnipeg Jets. It's someone's selling on eBay right now. Card number 148, Rookie Royalty Signature, 11-12 Crown Royal. Just looking real quick one more time. Anything else? If I can see. Sorry guys, I'd rather just take a little bit longer here and know that what we're doing, so I don't have any, you know, then have any questions on who's getting the card. Yeah, that's it. So it's gonna go to Winnipeg, and let me look real quick for you, try to help out if it even is if they still take it. I'm looking to see what it says. You know, it doesn't say here, so I'm not sure, but I'll send it out to whoever gets it. I'm just looking Winnipeg. It not even matter because there's a bunch of open spots on here. Winnipeg. It doesn't matter. That's not going to go out. That's an NA. So, okay. Anyway, we'll go back to the box, and here's the next card. A nice Marla Lemieux, Ice Kings, Pittsburgh Penguins. Not seen this card before. And here is a base card, Martin Brodeur. Alright, so two more packs. Well, let's go autofocus. Okay, here's the Flyers, all the Kings men, Claude Giroux. The other one was not numbered, and then this one is not as well. Nice looking patch card on that. Base card and base card. And last pack. Trying to see if I was hoping I'm gonna go real quick through these the cards that I was just seeing if there's any rookie cards. It would be over 100 numbers, so I'm just looking to see. I didn't notice any rookie cards, but it's odd that we haven't gotten one rookie card in this box. Oh, here, see? This must be a rookie card, but I don't see anywhere where it says rookie card. Miko. Hoskin. Sorry about this, guys. I know I've done this box before, but and I'm sorry that it's taking a little longer to do this box, but again, I rather get it right, so everyone knows who's going before I end this. So yeah, 127. It's a rookie royalty. I would have thought it would have said somewhere on their rookie card. I don't know if I'm missing it or not, but there's a rookie card for the New York Islanders. Well, I'm glad I went ahead and did that. So, and go back to this last pack that we had here. Here's Jordan Everly. I know he's not a rookie, but look anyway. All right, here's a coat of arms, Martin Brodeur. Nice autograph. Nice autograph from a Hall of Famer, Martin Brodeur. Autograph patch card. Let's see if it's numbered. Oh, it is numbered. There, 33. What is it? So that looks like a nice low number. Is that 3 out of 10? Trying to see here. It's hard to see. Let's see if I can. Yeah, nice 3 out of 10. Nice low number there. So nice card there. Martin Brodeur, New Jersey Devils. Autograph patch card. Nice card. Here's Sam Akita. They have one old one. This will go out. Chicago Blackhawks. They have one card of one of the older players in every box. Stan Mikita, Chicago Blackhawks. And then Eric Stahl. And that's just a base card. Alright guys, that'll do it. I appreciate everyone getting in the break. Again, once you see the video, I'll probably wait about an hour or so and then do this SPX in case anyone wants to get in. There's, I think, 12 spots left. I am going to be looking to buy some new stuff this week. I know normally where I get it, usually they put out some sales around the holidays, so I'm going to get something this week. So I might not have anything up till next week. I'd rather wait for the sale. I can get it a little cheaper and then pass the savings on to you guys. So again, please, if you're buying on eBay, you can look for me on my website. The prices are cheaper. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. And then I'm going to get a bunch of stuff out there probably next week. So keep your eyes open. Thanks. Appreciate it.